What's up, third graders? It's me, Mr. McGow, and for math today, we are only going to be working on math boxes. So today is the math box preview review. So you're going to do the math boxes today. You're not going to spread them out over 2 days. So you're going to watch this video to find out what you have to do for the math boxes. You're going to do the math boxes, and then you are going to check them using just this one video. Let's go ahead and check out the math boxes for our math box preview. Here we are. We have our math boxes preview for Unit 8. There are 6 questions on this. So number 1 is you have to put 1/8 and 1/4 on the number line. You may use your fraction tools. Count up how many there are, see what you know, see if you can get 1/8 and 1/4 on this number line. Number 2, fill in the circle next to each name for 40. Not all of them are 40, some of them may not be, or maybe all of them are. Your job is to figure that out. Number 3, you have a blank times a blank and it equals a product. You have to figure out what these blank numbers are. This first one is beautiful no matter what you put on there. Gorgeous. I love that one. Number 4, you have this shape. Then you have some questions about this shape. First question is how many sides? Just write that number there. How many angles? Write that number there. And put X's on one pair of parallel sides. There might be more than one pair of parallel sides. And then you write the name for the shape. So you're going to need to have 2 X's somewhere on here to show where the parallel sides are. Number 5 is a word problem or a number sentence. There are 8 tissue boxes in a pack. Clara takes 2 packs to school. How many tissue boxes in all? Then it kind of continues here. So this is related to this. So the information is the same as in here, but you will end up with a different answer. Clara's class now has 20 packs. How many tissue boxes in all? So you will have to use some information from here to answer that. Number 6, Dontrell shares $24 equally with his brother. Dontrell, I love that you're so kind that you would share money with your little brother. I know third graders would be doing the same thing in this class. How much money do they each get? So Dontrell's going to take some of the money, his little brother's going to take some of the money, and they should have the same amount. This is a division problem, so you need to write out a division number model. You want to stop the tape right here or stop the video right here and then go ahead and do these problems, because when you turn it back on, it's going to have the correct answers. Good luck. Welcome back, third graders. Here are the correct answers for the math boxes. Number 1, 1/8 would be the first line. Then 1/4 would be the second line. So if you were to go from here to here, that's 1/4, 1/2, 3/4, 1. Another thing you might notice about 1/4 and 1/8, 1/8 is half of 1/4. So between 0 and 1/4, if you go halfway, it's 1/8. There is a relationship there. Next, number 2, fill in the circle next to each name for 40. It's the first 3 names. 8 times 4 does not equal 40. It equals another number. Yell it out right now if you know it. That's right. If you yelled out 32 nice and loud, then you are correct. Let's look at these next ones. Don't forget to be giving yourself a star if you get them. These are sample answers because there are lots of different ones. This first one is 6 times 6 equals 36. Now, if you want to get a little bit of a bonus, you're going to take your pencil and you are going to draw around 6 times 6, a special shape. Hold on. There we go. And that's a heart. That's a heart because 6 times 6 equals 36. I'll make a heart around this too. This is my favorite number. It is a square number. It is a triangle number. It has 9 factors. So many cool things for a double-digit number. You could also do 9 times 4. Now, there are other examples, 9 times 5. You could find other examples as well, as long as they equal this. 55 times 10, and then 64 is 8 times 8. If If you got these or something like that that equals them, give yourself a big old star. Let's move on to the next one. Here we have how many sides? We're 4. How many angles? 4. These are the angles. Put an X on the side, so this is a side, and this is a trapezoid. It's a sample answer because you could say quadrangle, you could say polygon. There are other answers that you could have. Quadrilateral would work. Here we have our questions. There are 8 tissues in a pack. Clara takes 2 packs to school. How many tissue boxes in all? That would be 16. Now, Clara's class now has 20 packs in all. How many tissue boxes in all? She has 160 boxes. Whew. I think that'll last him for the year. Dontrell, good old Dontrell, so nice to his brother. I think it's his little brother. He shares $24 equally with his brother. How much money do they each get? They each would get $12. Make sure you have your unit. It is important to have your unit. What does the division model look like? Well, it starts with Dontrell's $24. He's going to divide that among himself and his little brother. I love it, Dontrell. So kind. And then you're both going to get 12. I don't know what you're going to do with that money. Hopefully something kind. Maybe buy your parents something nice, or you could buy your teacher some M&Ms because your teacher loves M&Ms. Hopefully you did a great job on these. Make sure you put stars on the ones that you got correct. Great job, third graders, with your math boxes today. We will start with a lesson in Unit 8. We're moving all the way to Unit 8 on Wednesday. You're going to need a ruler for this unit, so see if you can find a ruler over the next couple of days. It needs to have inches on there. You're going to be doing some measuring. All right, everybody, have a great day, and I will see all of you soon.